Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today was a challenging market, but as an intraday traders we manage amazing profit and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips today. And let me share with you guys how I help them to bank amazing pips, and let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. And let me share with you guys, as you can see here, as I mentioned, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips. One of my traders bank as you can see here 150 pips. And let me share with you the breakout. All these trades are announced through live intraday analysis and through live audio commentary support, so just to make sure that they can maximize the opportunities. All right, as you can see here, this is the breakdown. Some of them losing, some of them winning, but the end of the day 150 pips. And my trader last trade was that pound dollar long, and another one was the euro yen short trade here. If you look at the euro yen short trade here, and as you can see here, all these trades are, by the way, 100% based on the analysis. As you can see here, we explained to our trader, look at the price section, and I also mentioned about this breakout. We have two, but let me explain to you in more detail. That's what we explained to my trader. If you look at the price section, this was the previous high. Price refused to break this level and develop a double top here. As you can see here, price broken, and we were expecting this over point of interest. Previously, you can see this level. So explain to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, then we're going to take a short trade here, which exactly did, as you can see here. And we've taken a short trade here. Target would be the first 200 EMA. Technically this is the breakout, which price nicely hit, and we bank amazing profit, 14 pips. All right, so same thing, the last trade was the pound dollar, 13 pips again, and that's what again explained to my trader. This is, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. This was the breakout, but based on that, that's what explained to my trader price action. If you look at here, the price broken this previous low, and after this breakout we were expecting a pullback, but price refused. We have a false breakout. Price came back here and retest, give us the confirmation. Safest trade if the price gonna break this trend resistance line. Broken as soon as the price hit to the previous high level at this level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit, and if the trader missed this one, they can join another one. They can get all these trades are announced through live audio commentary. As you can see here, 13-14 pips every single trade. Bank, keep banking. Some of the trades 28 pips. As you can see here, that was the again beautiful trade, was like this one again, based on the analysis, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, based on that, explain to my trader, look for pullback, and beautiful pullback. And explain to my trader, if the price gonna break and retest, then short trade here, otherwise long here. So we had another beautiful pullback, pretty straightforward. As you can see here, amazing trade, guys. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all these pippies. Let's go back to the analysis. And EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD in 4-hour chart, as I said to you guys, we haven't seen any big move. Our buys are still short here, but as you can see here, price developed consolidation. We have this pattern and price nicely broken. Let me share with you how I analyze these entries and bank amazing pippies today. All right, so if you look at this morning, let me open the all right, so this is the morning analysis. Price develop a sideways market. Yep, that's the analysis just before London Open. Let me make it slightly bigger so I can explain to you in more detail. All right, so this is pretty straightforward, and this was the breakout this morning. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the final target, previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful breakout long trade here, and afterwards price reverse. As you can see here, challenging market. As soon as the market developed another pattern, we broadcast, as you can see here, after banking some pips, price nicely came back, but then explained, if the price gonna break this level long here, break this one, short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit this level, you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. Once I bank this profit, we did another analysis, this one instantly once after banking some pips. As you can see here, another analysis, beautiful. As you can see here, price nicely broken. Previously we had a third touch as mentioned on the previous analysis, breakout. Once the price break and momentum is bullish, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have one pullback, target hit. Afterwards we have another one. You can see here price nicely developed double bottom here, another breakout, beautiful, nice target hit. So that's what exactly we were doing it the whole day, taking 10-15 pips. Once we bank some profit at the New York session, that's what I explained to my trader, look for pullback at this level if the price is going to respect. Otherwise, if the price break and retest, as you can see here, price develop another channel, broken, and after the breakout, retest to the retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, that's what I explained to my trader, bank some profit. Then I did another analysis. Once we bank some profit, and I did another analysis, I said to trader, this is look like is a falling wedge. All right, that's another opportunity. Price developed double bottom here, look like we might gonna have interesting breakout long trade here. All right, so that's the analysis broadcast here. As you can see here, once we bank some profit, instantly update the analysis. That's intraday we're doing it. So you can see here we were looking this breakout, and based on the pattern, based on the 4 hour, as you can see here, we have a reversal, beautiful breakout, and bank as soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank some profit and look for another pullback, which is nicely here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as you can see here, this level, as you can see here, looks like a bearish flag pattern is developing it, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing trade on EURUSD. As you can see here, just before closing, bank amazing profit. Let's move into the cable, pound dollar again. As you can see here, tricky market, but we manage beautiful pips. As you can see, in 4 hour consolidation, we explained to my trader, price keep respecting this previous high. Let's see. So technically we have this impulsive, this is the correction is developing it, but being an intraday, as I said to you, I'm going to show you how we bank amazing profit. All right, so this morning, let me make it slightly bigger so I can explain to you the price action, guys. And right, so this is the trade this morning, just before London Open, half an hour before we do a live analysis with all of my traders. Explain to my trader, look here, if the price gonna break, then we're gonna be a pullback short trade here. Price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, because we might gonna expect a reversal at this level. So we had amazing trade in the beginning, bank beautiful 10-15 pips. All right, so after that, this is the analysis I just mentioned you, 13 pips we bank amazing profit. That's what happened. And once the price reverse at this scenario, we can explain to my trader, look here, this was by the way at the New York session, the price nicely developed a false breakout. So as mentioned here, if the price gonna respect another opportunity, that's the aggressive trade, and this is the safest trade. If the price can, as you can see here, price nicely broken, same level at this level, price came back, retest and breakout, another pullback. Once the price break the major structure, as you can see here, after this breakout, price respected, retested this level twice. So we're taking a long trade here, bank some profit, long here, bank some profit, because as you can see here, price nicely respecting it the previous high, and that's why we keep peeping every single trade. And afterwards, as you can see here, price develop another channel. Once we bank some profit, price refused to stay above this previous high. It makes sense of looking for this breakout if the price gonna break, which price nicely broke. Even the price came back this level, but I finished my trading day. I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, or you can keep holding it. Even after though, you can see here price nicely came back. So amazing profit in pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade too. As you can see here, from yesterday we were long from this level, but if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free, the video link is given in the video description. So we were long here, we were expecting if the price gonna break, then we keep taking a pullback, and the target was this level, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. and how we analyze market and refine and entries help traders to bank amazing profit. All right, so pretty straightforward this morning. The market was here and the price broke on this previous high, expecting another pullback, otherwise break on retest. Nicely pulled back as soon as the previous high. Explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit because the market was very tricky. Bank another 15 pp's, and afterwards at the New York session, price developed sideways market. Explain, look for potential breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the green fib channel and almost this level, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Once we bank some profit, as you can see here, price reverse, and that's what exactly explained to my trader. Look here, price broken, so we were expecting a pullback. Price refuse, price retest, safest trade. If the price gonna break, then we will consider this one as a falling wedge, otherwise rising wedge. Otherwise we're going to be looking at long trade here. Momentum was still bullish. As you can see here, price nicely broken previous high, explain, break and retest. As soon as the price hit this level, was develop another double bottom, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. All right guys, as you can see it, how we analyze market in 4 hour, define the market sentiment and the bias, and how we define entries and exit in intraday system. So the most important part and enjoyment is if you watch all this analysis in real time, if you see all that explanation in real time and you're banking profit in real time, that's the most interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, as you have seen, I coach and train traders with a live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support, just to make sure they can understand. Or you can ask question, online live, and you will be get answered instantly. All right guys, so if you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to make extra pp's, most welcome. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.